Alright, I'm going to show you how to crack deep in your neck. Okay, down here. You want to be loose. Give your vertebrae space.